Indian nationals returning from Iran have shared first-hand accounts of the ongoing protests in Tehran and other Iranian cities, describing tense and challenging situations on the ground. According to reports, the demonstrations in Iran have caused widespread disruptions, with large crowds taking to the streets demanding change. Indian citizens who recently arrived back in India said the environment in the cities was difficult, with public services disrupted and daily life significantly affected. Several returnees expressed relief at being able to leave Iran safely and praised the Indian government and the Indian embassy for their timely intervention.
कौन से कॉलेज में?
शिराज मेडिकल।
वहाँ पर स्थिति कैसी है इस समय?
सब ठीक है।
जैसे अभी सुनने में आ रहा था कि जो यूएस है उन्होंने धमकी दी थी कि
हमें आइडिया नहीं था, हमें इंटरनेट ही नहीं था।
इंडियन एम्बेसी ने आप लोगों से कांटेक्ट किया था इंडियन एम्बेसी से?
हाँ, लेकिन हम खुद आए हैं फिलहाल, हमें कुछ आइडिया नहीं।
बहुत सारे
अभी
प्रोटेस्ट
नहीं
वगैरह हो रहे थे वहाँ पर।
हाँ, सुनने में आ रहा था बट हमने देखा नहीं कुछ।
कश्मीर के बच्चे अभी भी वहाँ फंसे हुए हैं, आप लोग कितना परेशान हुए जब परिवार से कांटेक्ट
नहीं, वो तो ठीक बात है, परिवार से कांटेक्ट नहीं हो रहा तो परेशान सब तो हो ही जाती है। जिनके भी फादर है, मदर है, जिनके भी घर वाले हैं, ओब्वियसली वो तो परेशान हो ही जाएंगे। लेकिन आज 4 बजे के बाद तेहरान का सिनेरियो बिल्कुल अलग था, वो ठीक हो चुका है। अब सिचुएशन देखी है, आगजनी देखी है, आग वगैरह, प्रोटेस्ट खतरनाक थे, लेकिन जो प्रोटेस्ट करने वाले थे वो कम थे। और जो अगर हम अपोजिट 2 पार्टियां हैं, रजा पहलवी की पार्टी है और इमाम खामनाई की पार्टी है, और प्रोटेस्टर्स कम थे एज कम्पेयर टू जितने इस्लामिक पॉलिटिक्स के साथ है वो ज्यादा थे।
किस लोकेशन पे प्रोटेस्ट हुआ सर आपने?
तेहरान में हुआ था, मशहद में हुए थे, कुंभ में हुए थे। हाँ जी।
आप लोग भी भारत सरकार ने कुछ मदद करी, एम्बेसी से कांटेक्ट करने की आपने कोशिश की?
बड़ी कोशिश की है भारत सरकार ने, बड़ी अच्छी कोशिश की है। स्टूडेंट्स को वापस बुलाया, हम जियारत के लिए गए थे, पिलग्रिम थे हम, तो बड़ी अच्छी कोशिश रही उनकी। हमारा इंटरनेशनल कॉलिंग भी 3 दिन में रिज्यूम हुआ। फिर अभी इंटरनेट सुनने में आया है कि अब इंटरनेट तेहरान में 2 या 3 दिन में रिज्यूम हो जाएगा।
The situation was unpredictable at times, and it was reassuring to have the Indian embassy coordinate our travel home, one Indian national told. Another added, protests were intense in the streets, but as we departed, there were signs of normalcy gradually returning in certain areas. The Ministry of External Affairs had earlier issued advisories for Indian citizens in Iran, urging them to stay vigilant, avoid large gatherings, and register with the Indian embassy for assistance.
We didn't find anything wrong over there.
They are saying that any chaos is going there. And
Maybe there may be, but we didn't find anything
is
else.
it going normal there?
Of course, as normal as anything.
Any protest you have seen?
We didn't see any protest. We saw the protest in favor of the government.
Okay.
Yes.
In which city you have seen this?
We were in Mashhad and we were in Qom.
Okay. So this is a pilgrim site or?
Of course, this is a pilgrim site. We went to Tehran also. Things were normal as anything.
On which date you went there?
We have been there for the last 8, 9 days, 10 days around.
When internet was shut?
Internet is already down. That's down. Family was worried, of course. When you don't have access to net, your family gets worried about things. Maybe there is something very big going to happen.
So, and things are getting normal according to you?
Yes, of course. We found it like that.
Embassy of India or any government officials, any officials?
We didn't went there. We didn't contact them. We didn't feel to do so.
This flight has been booked by you only or government supported?
No, it was booked by us only.
You think things are getting normal there?
No.
So pilgrimage site पर आप गए थे तो वहाँ सिचुएशन ठीक था?
बिल्कुल ठीक।
अभी कोई स्टूडेंट्स भी कहीं कश्मीर के बच्चे वहाँ पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं?
वो आए हैं हमारे साथ भी काफी कम, उनकी छुट्टी हो गई है, हॉलीडेज। हाँ।
Any protest you have seen there?
No.
The Ministry of External Affairs coordinated with airlines and ground services to ensure smooth evacuation, particularly for students, professionals, and families who were in high-risk areas. While most of the returning nationals described relief and gratitude for being brought back safely, many also highlighted the human impact of the unrest. People in Tehran are struggling, but the authorities are trying to restore normalcy. It was both worrying and eye-opening to witness, said another returnee. The Indian government continues to monitor the situation in Iran closely and is maintaining communication with those still in the country. Citizens are being advised to follow official instructions and contact the Indian embassy in case of any emergencies. As Indians return safely, the reports highlight both the volatility of the situation in Iran and the effectiveness of India's diplomatic efforts in protecting its citizens abroad.